Hi friends, my name is Aruna. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Instagram, specifically how to increase Instagram followers. So there are multiple ways. Let me quickly tell you, a few of the ways which you can apply to increase your followers, which will help you to monetize your Instagram account. So the first one is to put the relevant hashtags or whichever is trending. That's very important. So you need to check the tags, trending tags or relevant tags, or with the tags which has cost more number of search. So those kind of tags you need to include 8 to 10 hashtags. If you put for your post, it will help you to reach the maximum audience. And the second method to increase your followers is that if you are say for example, if you are a makeup artist and you want to reach the audience, whoever is interested, the topic or the content what you are posting. So what you should do for that is you need to follow some other makeup artist or someone from that particular category who has got huge number of followers. Once you follow them, you will get to see the kind of followers what they have got. So you have the options, follow back or follow. So you can follow them. The reason why you should follow them, because they are already following somebody or someone who is like you. So there is a common interest. Their mindset will be, or there are high chances that they like the kind of post what you are going to share, or what you are sharing already. So you can follow those people, and they will follow you back, and gradually this will help you in terms of increasing your followers. And the third one is the niche. Now say for example, if you have followed somebody, and if they have to follow you back, they will see what kind of followers you have and what kind of post you're making. So if they see your post is all about one particular niche, one particular category, so they assume that you are an expert in that particular niche. And if that is of their interest, there are chances that they will follow you back, and they will be your true followers, or followers in the long run. So you need to keep these three things in mind. If you apply these things, it will help you in terms of increasing your followers gradually, and that will ultimately help you to monetize your account. And I'll tell you a few things. There is another way how you can increase your followers, that is your paid followers, for which I say completely no. The reason is that when you have a paid followers, 10,000 followers, and when you make a post, you do not see any reactions, you do not see any kind of engagement from those audiences. The reason is that they have not followed you because of their interest in your post, or the kind of informations what you are sharing. So they are not like minded like you, or there is nothing common in between you and your followers. So the getting reactions, good, bad, or whatsoever, is very rare. So you imagine a account with 10,000 followers, and the reactions are very very minimal. So that kind of accounts are not considered for monetizing. So it's better that you increase your followers gradually in a right way. You should get a right audience. There should be something common between you and your followers. If your follower and you are following something, what you are posting, that means you're thinking about that particular topic, and your followers thinking about that particular topic is same. That's the reason they are following you, and you're you it's like it's your community. So which is very very important in the long run. This kind of things, this kind of followers will help you to grow your account, or monetize your account, and this will help you in the long run. And the shortcut is always a no, but still many people are doing it. But I'm sure after doing that, they will realize it's not the right practice to do. Hope this information will be helpful to all of you guys. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.